Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. For that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap after the editing symbol, then you are able also to draw something inside or highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website, or someone's WhatsApp status and so on. And after you can share this edited part here directly, or with the arrow you can send it to your gallery. Then there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. You're going to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And at the pictures, they're mixed up here with the camera pictures. So I would recommend to you to go always to the albums, because here you have an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe at the next time. Ciao.